In the early days of building a business, everything feels urgent: growth, investors, revenue. But what if I told you there's one factor on your balance sheet that decides whether your company just survives or becomes unstoppable? Most founders obsess over profits and growth. But then, why do some businesses recover from failure while others vanish? Why do some brands keep their customers loyal, even after mistakes? And why do some founders raise money again, even when their first two startups failed? It's called goodwill. And it's not just an accounting term, it's trust. It's your reputation. It's the relationships you've built with your customers, your team's culture, and your credibility in the market. It's invisible, but it can be your strongest shield in business. Here's how it works. Company A wants to buy Company B. B's net assets, cash, servers, buildings are worth 700 crores. But A pays 1,000 crores. That extra 300 crores? It's for goodwill, the brand value, the loyalty, the trust you can't see, but you can absolutely feel. Take Reliance, $3 billion in goodwill. Now look at Microsoft, a staggering $119 billion. Why? In 2016, Microsoft paid $26.2 billion for LinkedIn, even though LinkedIn's tangible assets were barely $4 billion. Over $15 billion went straight into goodwill for its 500 million professionals, their skills, their data, their trust. That's not short-term profit. That's long-term positioning. Instagram is an even better example. No big revenue, no major assets, just 13 employees. Yet Facebook paid $1 billion. Not for the code, not for the office, but for the goodwill, the millions of users who loved it. Goodwill isn't built in a day. You don't get it from one funding round or a single campaign. It grows slowly with trust, care, and consistency. But once it's there, everything changes. Your marketing costs drop, your customers forgive mistakes. Investors move faster because they know your users believe in you. Goodwill is like compound interest. At first, it's invisible. You can't measure it week to week. But over time, it multiplies, strengthening your brand, protecting you in crises, and making your reputation the ultimate asset. So if you're building a business, don't just chase profits. Build trust, build relationships, build goodwill. Because one day, that invisible number on your balance sheet might be your biggest moat. And remember, goodwill isn't bought, it's earned.